feeling when you look at a $500 GPU and think, do I really need all that? Here's the thing. Edge AI is everywhere now. Smart cameras in stores. Drones checking crops in the field. Factory floor sorting parts. All of them need to run AI. But they don't need to run it at 1,000 frames per second. And that's where a tiny $80 board starts to make a lot of sense. So here's the hardware. A Raspberry Pi 5, $80 for the 8GB version. Pair it with the AI Kit at $70, or the AI Hat Plus at $110. For around $150 to $190, you've got a complete Edge AI device. What does $150 get you? Running YOLOv8N, you get about 30 frames per second on the entry-level Hailo 8L. 50 FPS if you step up to the 26 TOPS Hat Plus. A convenience store running person detection on 4 cameras needs about 15 to 20 FPS per stream. That's well within reach. A farmer checking drone footage for weeds, same thing. The Pi handles it at 1/10 the power of any desktop setups in the real world. But 2026 changed the game. The new AI Hat Plus 2, just announced in January. It's got an upgraded Hailo 10H chip pushing 40 TOPS in INT4. And this is the big one, it carries 8 gigs of onboard RAM. That means it can run small language models, Phi 3, Llama 3.23b, directly on the accelerator. It doesn't eat into the Pi's main memory. That changes what's possible on a $200 device. Of course there are limits. The Pi 5 has a single PCIe 2.0 lane. That bottlenecks you at about 500 megabytes per second. That matters for high-res video feeds. And this is strictly an inference machine. You train on a GPU, then deploy here. Not the other way around. Also, forget about running a 70 billion parameter model. Phi 3 scale is the ceiling. But here's why this whole conversation matters. The Raspberry Pi isn't trying to kill the GPU. It's doing something more interesting. It's going places the GPU can't follow. Into a solar-powered field sensor. Into a $150 retail camera that runs 24/7 for years. Into a privacy-sensitive medical device that never sends data anywhere. The GPU won the race for raw power. But the Pi is winning a different race entirely. And that race might matter more for where AI is actually going.